Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we have Gears of War Relaoded. So look, the first hack will be this one, the aim. And when you shoot, look, it shoot on many spots and not in one spot, and it go up while you shoot. So when you we enable this one, look, it's instant, really small aim, and it will shoot only in one spot. So far that's the features for now, and it will work in online mode and offline mode as well. Also, there is one more feature, so when you walk, when you run, it will still shoot in one spot. Do you see? It's shooting in one spot only, as long as possible. And I have unlimited ammo and infinite health, but the health will probably work only in offline mode. I still haven't tested. I will keep you updated.